some diagraphs. So watch this. What sound is this? Yes, What sound is this? Yes, g. You're absolutely right. This sound is and this sound is g. But guess what? When they're together, they make a new sound. And that sound is and you can feel it in the back of your throat when you say that sound. So they make a new sound together. This sound is still and this sound is still g. But when they're together, it's ng. And some words that have this sound in it are king, or bang, or ping. And over here, this sound is k, and this sound is and those two together sound like this sound. Cool, cool. So some words with cool in it are queen, or quit, or quilt. So one more time. This sound is still and this sound is still g. Together, when they're side by side, they are ng. And this sound is cool.